everyone, today we are making strawberry milkshake, fruit chaat and mixed fruit smoothie. So first we will take 2 glass milk, four tablespoons of sugar, ice cubes, six to eight strawberries, grind it. Now your strawberry milkshake is ready. Enjoy! It will get ready in no time and it's very easy to make. Now we are making creamy fruit chaat. So for making creamy fruit chaat, we will need 1 mango. You have to cut it in small cubes. One pomegranate. Two apples. We'll put 1 can of cream. Half teaspoon black pepper, sugar 2 tablespoons, chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Now we're making mixed fruit smoothie. So for making mixed fruit smoothie, we will take 1 apple, 3 kiwi, 1 mango, sugar 3 tablespoons, three glasses of milk, now blend it. Your mixed fruit smoothie is ready now. Enjoy! Like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Bye everyone. Allah Hafiz. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.